We all understand that the world uses way too much chemical these days, and we need to get back to the more nutritional values that we used to have in our fruits and our grains and our produce from years ago. We're finding that more and more people now are wanting to have that healthier fruit that's higher in nutrient value for us to consume, and also the big thing we're looking and we're finding that people are wanting less chemicals involved in their food production. This is where we come into play, and we've been very successful in supplying nutrients to the plant and also working on the condition of the soil. We can also increase the microbial action to give that soil the perfect balance that it requires to produce naturally occurring fruit and vegetable. Through this experience, we've noticed that our fruit and vegetables developed a higher Brix level. So in other words, we have a sweetness of our fruit, getting back to the natural state that we should have had in today's generation, but we've lost over many years of farming practices. Longer shelf life, the tastier nutrients that are available in that fruit, and also the added benefits of those nutrients. We feel that it gives people the good old-fashioned flavour that we were once used to. And with that, we're getting the nutrients that we as humans need through our food production.